Hey guys, what's up? This is Ajitesh Patnaik and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to share with you few tips and tricks on how you can enhance your battery life in any Wear OS. So here I have with me the Fossil Sport and this is the 41mm variant. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see, I have kept the always on display on, and what should I say, even after keeping all the functionalities, basic functionalities on, I have got around 3 days of battery life in this. So let me show you how did I get that. First of all, let's go ahead and jump to settings and let's see how this watch is being configured. If you go to display, if I go to adjust brightness, it's kept on automatic, no changes in that. Sunlight boost is also off, and then I have enabled always on screen because this is a watch and every time I look at the screen I want the time and other functionalities to be displayed. Let's go to the next setting. I haven't done any changes to the apps and notifications. Yes, third is when I go to gestures, I have disabled tilt to wake, touch to wake, wrist gestures and all of it. How I use the watch is like, just a second. As you can see, the always on display is on and I have disabled the touch to display. This watch face gives me enough information of not needing to turn on the watch and see other things. As you can see, the time, the date and the battery percentage, and if there is connectivity to my phone and the charging icon. So we'll be talking about this watch face in the later part of video. Right now let's focus on the settings. So we have done with the gestures and going to connectivity. When you are connected to the phone via Bluetooth, the watch is going to fetch the internet of your phone. So make sure that Wi-Fi is disabled and you only enable Wi-Fi if your mobile data is not working and there is some issue with that, or else no need of Wi-Fi. And NFC is also turned off and airplane mode, and even I have turned off the location. So going next to accessibility, there is nothing much here, and the next is general. Make sure auto launch media controls is enabled so that you need not have to come to this place and then open the app for any media control. The moment you start playing any video or audio, the watch is going to show the pause, play, next, back button automatically on the screen. Going to personalization, the screen lock is off. And how have I customized my hardware buttons is that for the top right I have enabled Play Store, and for the bottom right I have enabled settings, so that I need not press the crown every time, open the app menu and scroll through that, and I am sure that is going to enhance your battery. Coming to the developer option, the most important one, and I'm sure these things will enhance your battery life. So if I go down and I go to Windows animation scale, as you can see I have turned it off. All the animations, transition animation scale, animation duration scale, I have turned all of it off, and I must say you that it has significantly increased the battery life, and I can pull the watch to 3 days from a day, even if I am connected to my phone. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. So please do give a like if this was helpful, do comment your thoughts, and please share it with your friends who might have Wear OS or any other Android Wear, and this video can help them in any way. So that's it guys, thank you, bye bye, see you in the next time.